This looks like a great landing spot. Now, if my calculations are correct, I just need to hit this button, and my plane will be 3D printed. Hey, yo, Robin, what's this X on the floor? Oh no, Cyborg, Beast Boy, get out of the way!
Out of the way for what, yo? Out of the way for that.
Yo, Beastie, can you move over?
I'm kinda stuck here, dude.
Jeez, I don't know how I'm gonna get this plane off of you guys. I don't have super strength.
I got an idea.
Booyah! Wow, Beast Boy, not a bad idea at all. I have to give you some credit. Yeah, good idea, Beastie, but now you're standing on top of me, and the plane's on top of you.
Oh, snap, my bad, Cyborg.
Oh, yeah, that's a lot better, thanks.
No problem, dude.
So what you doing over here, Robin?
Yeah, what's the dealio?
Well, you see, I realized I didn't have a way to travel to defeat the High Five, so I built myself a jet that can go super fast.
I wanna see.
Cyborg and Beast Boy, feast your eyes on the Robin jet.
This thing's fresher than an unopened brand new pack of ramen noodles, dude.
I just hack in right here for a second. Let me just add a couple modifications. Cyborg, what are you doing? It's all good, bro. What was once for zeros is now for a hero. I like it. Also, I think it's time we need to update your wardrobe. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is more like it. Thanks, Cyborg.
What'd I miss? Yo, Robin, you's looking good, dude.
I think it's time I try out my jet.
Yeah, that sounds awesome.
Are you ready for this? That was awesome!
Teen Titans Go!
The toy featured in today's video is the Imaginext Teen Titans Go Robin and Jet, or en español, Robin y su Avion. This is a really cool toy, so let's check it out. So here's everything out of the package. We have our Robin figure, our jet, and 3 missiles.